Hi all! In this video, you will learn Warren Buffett's top 5 tips that you can follow to become a successful person in life. Go! Warren Buffett, one of the most successful and richest people in the world, has provided many valuable tips on how to become a successful person. Here are Warren Buffett's top 5 tips. 1. Invest in yourself. Warren Buffett believes that the most important investment we can make is investing in ourselves. He advises to constantly develop and learn. Luck and success will come more easily to those who recognize and acknowledge their weaknesses and are willing to invest time and resources in overcoming them. Buffett argues that continuous study, reading books, and the pursuit of new knowledge will help us stay competitive and develop. 2. Build and maintain a network. Warren Buffett believes that successful people should build their network of contacts. Communication with successful and influential people allows you to learn from them, share experiences, and receive valuable advice. Building relationships with key players in your field can open doors to new opportunities and help you succeed. 3. Set clear goals. Warren Buffett adheres to the principle that having clearly articulated goals helps you focus on the desired results and plan your actions to achieve them. He advises writing down your goals and regularly assessing your progress towards them. This approach helps to maintain motivation, as well as analyze your successes and mistakes. 4. Manage your time. Good time management is one of the key features of successful people. Warren Buffett advises creating a schedule and sticking to it, paying special attention to priority tasks. He understands that we all have a limited amount of time, so focus on what's important and learn to let go of things that might distract us from reaching our goals. 5. Be persistent. Warren Buffett believes that persistence is an integral part of a successful career. It is important not to lose heart, even in the most difficult times, and to be ready to overcome obstacles. He emphasizes that learning from your mistakes and striving for continuous improvement will help you overcome difficulties and achieve success. In conclusion, Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors in history, and his advice on how to become a successful person is based on his own experience and wisdom. Investing in ourselves, networking, setting clear goals, time management, and perseverance.